Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. I hope you are well. In this lecture, I will discuss about reinforcement learning, which is a third type of machine learning. Other two type supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. These two type I discussed in previous lecture. So first I recap it in few seconds. Supervised machine learning, the type of machine learning where model is trained on a input-output pair, which is a labeled dataset. But in case of unsupervised machine learning, model is trained on the unlabeled dataset, where there is no output pair, there is no target variable. We have only features. They try to identify the structure present in the dataset, uncovering the pattern in the dataset. So in this lecture, I will discuss about reinforcement learning. Let's start reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where agent learn to take a action based on when interacting with the environment to maximize the rewards over a period of time as well as minimizing the punishment. Agent interacting with the environment and receiving the rewards as well as punishment. It learned through the trial and error method by receiving a rewards and penalties. If I take a simple example that convey the what is reinforcement learning and visualizing this concept. Think of training a dog. If we say dog sit, it sit, so it will receive a reward in the form of food. If it does not sit, so it will receive a punishment or penalty. It means it will not get a food. So dog try to identifying the pattern and maximizing and interacting with the environment and maximizing the rewards and minimizing the punishment. So they follow the instruction of the human. So that is a very beautiful example to convey the idea of the reinforcement learning. So let's move to understand the reinforcement learning through real life example that help to comprehend the understand the in better manner. So first example, very impressive example, self-driving car. In this reinforcement learning algorithm help a self-driving car to learn when to accelerate and brake and change the lanes by optimizing the safety and efficiency. So self-driving car will interact with the environment and try to maximizing the rewards and minimizing the penalties. Next example is robotics. Here reinforcement learning algorithm guide in learning to walk and navigate through an obstacle through maximizing the rewards and minimizing the penalties. Very very good example that can explain the reinforcement learning. That is a direct application of reinforcement learning. Game playing, how AI is leveraged in a game. Let's move to downward. Here DeepMind AlphaGo is an AI based model trained through reinforcement learning defeated the human champion in Go game through reinforcement learning. So you can see how powerful reinforcement learning algorithm that defeated the human champion in a Go game through interacting with the environment and learning through trial and error and maximizing the rewards and minimizing the punishment. Next example is stock market trading. Reinforcement learning algorithm guide when to buy and sell the stocks and maximizing the profits. Next example is traffic signal optimization. In this AI based model that adjusts the traffic light in a real time to reduce the congestion by learning the traffic matter pattern through reinforcement learning to smoother road. It helps in managing the urban traffic in efficient manner through reinforcement learning by maximizing the reward and minimizing the punishment. In the next example, healthcare treatment planning, you have a patient medical image that signify that having a some form of cancer. Reinforcement learning try to optimizing the cancer treatment by adjusting the drug usage as well as radiation doses dynamically based on the patient response. If I talk about chatbot or virtual assistant, in this reinforcement learning algorithm are used to improve the customer satisfaction and learning from customer response and try to provide a better service to a customer. So that are the some of the few of the application where reinforcement learning are leveraged. So in this lecture I discussed about reinforcement learning. In next lecture I will discuss about what is the key difference between the different types of machine learning like supervised machine learning, reinforcement learning as well as unsupervised machine learning. If you have a query, please leave them in a comment section. I will happy to solve it. And thank you so much everyone again. See you in next lecture.